what I've done here is I've laid out some guidelines so that when I go to dimension, I can do that. You'll also see that I've now put titles for each view in here. Don't forget that you can create a text style. And so I created a view labels text style for all of these. And so make sure that you go up to text and then to format text, and then you create your style within this window, doing what you need to do, and then saving that, because then you can go ahead and change it. So I'm going to go into each one of these views now and click Annotate View. Okay. And work on dimensioning just for this part of this fan within this annotation. So I'm just going to give you a couple quick dimensions. So I'm going to do to the top of this fan, to the bottom of this fan here. I am also going to do maybe, actually here, I'm sorry. I'm going to do from the top of this fan to the bottom of this fan right here. And then I'm going to do maybe, I don't know, from here to here. There we go. And if I wanted to, I would do something like here to here, perhaps. And maybe here to here. Oh, no, that's going to cross over lines, so we're not going to do that. Then I want to exit, because I don't want to start dimensioning in other viewports, other things, in case I move them later. So I want to go into this one if I'm going to dimension this item. Oh, not there, but you get the idea. Exit viewport annotation, so that each one of these has their own dimensions in it. I lied to you a little bit earlier. I think it's perfectly okay if your titles are not within an annotation. So these titles are not within an annotation because it does get a little more complicated to move things around if they're within the annotation. It's really up to you and what your personal organization system is, as long as you have one. These guidelines for me are also not within the annotations. They're just on the page themselves. But don't forget that any dimensioning really does have to happen within the annotation view.